Are you asking yourself, what is the ultimate social network for network marketers today? There's so many people out there with all kinds of opinions. Well, we're going to put this to rest right now. You've got so many choices of social networks, and you got all kinds of experts out there talking about this social network or that social network. But the truth is, there is one social network that eclipses every other social network. And we're going to show you how to use it during the holiday season to rank advance. Well, what about Facebook with 2.45 million? Make that billion users. Think about it. 2.45 billion users. They are the biggest social network in the world, hands down. But it's not Facebook. No. And then there are all kinds of people out there telling you about Instagram. 1 billion monthly users. You got to be on Instagram. And no, it's not Instagram either. Well, what about YouTube? 2 billion monthly users. You got all kinds of people out there insisting you need to make videos, you need to be on YouTube. And no, it's not YouTube either. It's LinkedIn with 600 million professional users. Now, it has less than the other social networks, but I want you to think quality over quantity. Now, there are 6 days to go before Christmas. How'd you like to ring in Christmas with a higher rank? Celebrate Christmas at a higher rank with a larger team. You can do it if you're on LinkedIn. What about New Year's Eve? 11 days to go to New Year's Eve, and you could ring in 2020 at a higher rank with a larger team if you jump on LinkedIn today. Today. And you can use it for free. You see, over the years, I've produced texting tactics and scripts that produce immediate results the week before Christmas all the way up to New Year's Eve. And they work better than they've ever worked. And I've added a couple of new ones. Marissa used these scripts to add 13 people to her business in 10 days over the holiday season. And you can be doing the same thing when you know how to effectively use LinkedIn. See, LinkedIn is the king of social networks. I wish they should be paying me for this. And whether they paid me or not, I'd be telling you this because it's the best place to build your business. It's the king. LinkedIn will help you rank advance before New Year's Eve. It'll position you for explosive growth in 2020. And I'm talking about explosive growth. You see, there are 3 things that make any social network great for prospecting and recruiting. First, the profiles of users contain enough information that'll help you identify a good prospect in advance of contacting them. Second, a method of communicating with other users in the network. We're talking about texting, live chat, private messaging, you and the other person, back and forth. And third, a searching feature that enables you to filter through the entire population of users for prospecting and recruiting. But it's the method of communicating with other users that's the most important, because to be successful in your business, you have to talk to people. Well, LinkedIn has superior features and provides you with the most information in every one of these categories compared to every other social network. LinkedIn is where you have to be. It's the world's largest professional networking site. Think about it. 600 million professionals in over 200 countries. LinkedIn is Facebook for professionals. It's king. Look at the reasons why you need to be on LinkedIn. You can connect with targeted professionals and use it for free. They've added Facebook's most popular features. Their keyword search will help you identify perfect cream of the crop prospects. Their advanced search will help you locate people looking for new opportunities, looking for your opportunity. Their live chat will empower you to talk to people, share pictures, use moving images like emojis, GIFs, and video. You'll know what your prospects are doing and when they're doing it. You've got a direct link to Twitter, and their smartphone app will let you add video and share it with people on LinkedIn. Their hot new features make it better, and the holiday scripts and strategies that I've developed work better on LinkedIn than every other social network. Do yourself a favor and share this with members of your team. Share it on YouTube. Share it on your Facebook profiles. Share it with your team members. If you want to rank advance, you don't go to the top of your business by yourself. Get your team over to LinkedIn, and all of you can rank advance before Christmas and New Year's Eve. Every second, 2 new LinkedIn profiles are added. That means every day there are more nurses, more doctors, more professionals joining LinkedIn. 172,800 new people. Every week, 1.2 million professionals are joining LinkedIn. Every month, close to 5 million professionals are joining LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the undisputed #1 social network lead source for prospecting, recruiting, and building your business, and it's being used by the top earners in your business, but unless you're on their team, they're not going to tell you about it. Your competition's on LinkedIn, so you need to be on it too, and I'm going to show you why. You see, LinkedIn lets you easily connect with the people that you know. However, they restrict your ability to connect with the people you don't know unless you know their email address. LinkedIn wants to charge you for this feature. LinkedIn, however, has secret doors that make it possible to connect with the people you don't know and use it for free. And during a live training that I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to use those secret doors. Do you want more people to talk to you about your business every day? Do you want a crazy number of people hitting you up about your opportunity every day? Do you want your message box to be filled with people wanting to join your team? Then you simply must know how to find and use the secret front and back door, and I'm going to share that with you during a live training that we're going to do today, Friday at 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. East Coast time. We'll be doing it on Saturday, and we'll be doing it every day next week, all through the holiday season. You must have my proven holiday scripts and recruiting strategies that will work for you all the time. Now, the secret front door on LinkedIn is a matter of adjusting your settings. And once you adjust one simple setting, anybody on LinkedIn will be able to reach you because they're going to know the email address that you have to do it. The secret backdoor is probably the most important feature because it will enable you to connect with people that you don't know. It circumvents their restrictions for contacting people you don't know. It'll make it possible for you to connect with more perfect prospects, communicate with them faster, and close more sales in less time, all through the holiday season. See, the people you want to talk to on LinkedIn are going to fall into 3 groups. First, the people you're connected to right now. You actually know these people, so it's easy to communicate with them. And then the second group are the people you're connected to right now, but you don't know them at all. Even though you're connected, these people are still in the cold market. And then the third group, the biggest group on LinkedIn, are the people you're not connected to, but you want to know them. They're in the cold market, but you can't get to them unless you know their email address. The secret front and back doors enable you to talk to these people. The more selective you are about who you talk to, the more successful you're going to be. So here's why you need to be on LinkedIn. It's better than Facebook to build your business. It connects you with perfect prospects faster. Their live chat enables you to text your prospects and get fast responses. You get responses from your prospects in 90 seconds or less. And you can make or share videos using LinkedIn's phone app. You can see if your prospect is logged in or the last time they were logged in. You can see when your prospect is reading your message or typing their answer to you. And you can get around their limits of talking to the people that you don't know. You can contact and connect with strangers even when you don't know their email address. And the best part, you can use it for free. Use it for free without paying for it. Now, let me just show you their searching feature. It's easy to find perfect prospects because you just have to put some keywords in that search box. Search by keywords. Do advanced searches. Connect with the professionals that are in your target market and are naturally attracted to network marketing. You can search for people on LinkedIn by their profession, by their location, by their college affiliation, by the military branch they served in, by the special interest groups they belong to, by the clubs and associations they belong to, by their interests, by their accomplishments, and by their mutual friends. You can't do this on Facebook. You've got professionals looking for a new opportunity. They're clearly identified, and you got over 65 million professionals that are looking for an opportunity, and you could connect with these people as easily as you could reach into a bowl of candy and pull out a green M&M. Locate perfect cream of the crop prospects that fit the exact demographics of who you're looking for anywhere in the world you wish to promote your business. For those of you that have my scripts book, it provides you with proven texting strategies and scripts to connect with anyone, qualify them, and close them all through the holiday season. I'm literally giving it away. Go to maxsteingart.com/proven scripts and pick it up for $47. But more importantly, join me today during a live broadcast, and whether you get my scripts book or not, I'm going to show you how to connect with people. Connect with more professional prospects that are eager to learn about your business and talk to them right now on LinkedIn, easier than any place else. Talk to them at your convenience, anywhere in the world. Close the sale in only 30 minutes and build a worldwide team when you're talking to the right people. Share this with members of your team. Get them on LinkedIn. You see, it's not about how many friends or followers you have on Facebook. And it's not about how many connections or followers you have on LinkedIn. It's not about how many likes, comments, and followers you have on Instagram, or how many views, likes, comments, or subscribers you have on YouTube. It's not about any of these. It's not about how many people respond or react to what you post, what you do, and what you say. It's not about any of that. It's about the number of people that you're talking to about your business. Talking to people is your most important activity, but you must be talking to the right people. Talking to the people that you know need and want what you have, and you know in advance who these people are. For more enrollments, get on LinkedIn and talk to more of the right people. And remember, texting is talking. Texting is talking. So how big is your business right now? How big would you like it to be at the end of the year? How big your business will grow between now and New Year's Eve is going to be determined by 4 things. Don't let the fact that there's 11 days left to the year. There are people waiting to talk to you right now. Right now. 4 things that are going to determine how you end the year. 1, the number of people you talk to about your business between now and then. You could talk to 20 people a day in a little over an hour. 2, the number of people that you sign up, that you enroll. And 3, the number of people that the people you enroll know. And 4, what you do to ensure maximum duplication and growth. 11 days. There is still time for you and members of your team to rank advance, to enroll more people. So what do you want to be doing on New Year's Eve? 11 days from now. You want to be celebrating because you've added some more people? Because members of your team have rank advanced? Or are you going to be having a pity party because you missed your goal? Because your business didn't grow up? Because the people that you thought were going to join your business didn't? Pick up my scripts book. at /proven scripts. It is going to be the best thing that you buy. It is the most important MLM book you'll ever read, but more important than getting the scripts book. Join me in my January boot camp. We're going to show you how to rank advance faster on LinkedIn and Facebook. Participation in my boot camp is normally $597, but go to maxsteingart.com/proven, maxsteingart.com/bootcamp, and use the promo code HO. I swear to God, I feel like Santa Claus. Attend my January boot camp for only $69. Share this with members of your team. Let me help all of you rank advance in 2020. But get on our next broadcast. Get on my live webinar. Another great gift, actually. Go to maxsteingart.com/retreat combo. Join my January boot camp. Participate in my 2-day top earner retreat at the end of February. We're going to teach you things that the top earners in your business know but never talk about. And we're going to give you our 90-day game plan. You can get all three for $246 or 2 payments of $133.50. Jot these down. But whether you choose to pick up any one of these training material, join me for complete details and tips that you can use for immediate enrollments. Register for any of my weekly free trainings, any day during the week, but today at 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Go to maxsteingart.com/webinars. Get the details and ring in the new year, ring in Christmas at a higher rank with more people. Whether you choose to register for my boot camp, whether you choose to participate in our top earner retreats, or whether you choose to pick up the scripts book, what I'm going to share with everybody during this live broadcast will help everybody rank advance and produce immediate results. So, if there's any question in your mind at all as to what the ultimate social network for network marketers is today, it is LinkedIn. You need to get over there. So put this on your Facebook timeline page. Share this with members of your team that are struggling. Share this with members of your team that are anxious to rank advance. Your business does not slow down during the holidays unless you do. So I hope to see you during one of our live broadcasts. Until next time, best of luck in building your business. If we don't connect between now and the end of the year, I want to wish all of you a happy holiday and a happy new year.